page 7. Okay, we have 4 time signature in this level. 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 8. The time number means how many beats per measure. The bottom number means the note has 1 beat. So if we have 2 over 2, the top number 2 means 2 beats per measure. Bottom number 2 means half note is 1 beat. If you see 2 at the bottom, that means a half note. If you see 4 at the bottom, that means a quarter note. If you see 8 at the bottom, that means 8 note. Okay, so questions. Exercise 1. What does 2 into 3 over 2 means? They're asking the bottom number. You have to say half note gets 1 beat. That's all you have to say. They ask the bottom number 2. What does that mean? Half note is 1 beat. Next questions. What does 8 in 3 8 mean? Same thing. They ask the bottom number only. So you have to say 8th note gets 1 beat. You cannot say 3 half notes per measure, 3 8 notes per measure. No, you cannot say top number. Give the full meaning of 4 2. They say full meaning. So you have to say the top number first. What is the 4 means? 4 beats per measure. The bottom number 2 means half note get 1 beat. Okay? Explain the difference between 4 4 and 2 2. 4 4 means 4 beats per measure. Quarter note is 1 beat. 2 2 means 2 beats per measure. Half note is 1 beat. You cannot say any others. You guys say like 3 half notes per measure. No. Okay, Rheya's next is page 11. Page 11, exercise 3, the second one, E flat major. This note is E flat if it is bass clef. So you have to draw bass clef. And they say key signature. So where's B on the bass clef? First, second line, B, E, A. Please remember the spots. Next one, the E flat major. This is E flat if it is a treble clef. And the right spot is 1, 2, 3, third line starting B, E, A. Please practice on the paper, the key signature, treble clef, and bass clef. Treble clef and bass clef. This one I will draw sharps. This one I will draw flats. So treble clef, sharp, which is F, C, G. Flat, B, E, A. 3 and 3. Treble clef, F sharp is on the top, F, bottom, C, on the top, G. Remember the spots. You cannot draw any other order. Bass clef, F is here. Just think a treble clef to bass clef is 1 down each. So it was on the top line. This is a 1, 2, 3, fourth line, F, bottom, C, first, second space, and G on the top space. Flat is B, E, A. Treble clef, 1, 2, 3. Third line B, going up E, A. The sharp was top, bottom, top. But flat is middle, top, bottom. B, E, A. Bass clef, same as a treble clef, but one below. First, second line B, going up E on the third space and A at the bottom space. Please practice this. So if they ask you two sharp, you have to draw this two. One sharp, you have to draw this one. B flat, E flat, bass clef, you have to draw this two, for example. Okay, same page, page 11. At the bottom, there's A. You have a C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, right? So it's what? F, C, G, A major. And this is treble clef, so you have to draw treble clef. And remember, F is on the top. F, C, G, this way. I think you draw it differently. Okay? And then you have to copy without any sharps. Next page, page 12. F. We have C sharp, we have G sharp, we have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So you have F, C, G, which is A major. Same thing. So write down A major. We have a treble clef, copy. And F is on the top. C, G. You have to draw this way. And then you have to erase all the sharps. Okay. This one, page 13. We're talking about the triplets. They ask you 4 beats, so this is already 3. And this can be 1 if we bucket 3 triplet. Because this can be 2 8 notes. And we have 1 8, so we have 3 8. Okay? So if we bucket triplet, it's gonna be together 2 value, which is a quarter note. D is a problem. They ask 2 beats, right? So we have 1 here. If we bucket all together, let me check. This is 8. If we combine this together, it's gonna be 8. This is 8. So we have 3 8. If it is triplet, total value is 2, which is a quarter note. So we have 1. 1 here, 1 here. Please remember this. Next, page 14. They ask E minor something ascending. If you say, let me double check. Okay, you say harmonic, Rhea. You decide the harmonic. First thing, you have to see E minor. E minor comes from G major. G major have F sharp. Remember the key signature, and harmonic ascending rule is the 7th up with the rule for major. So you have to remember 7 up and the key signature, both. Okay, so I start E here and then F, right? So spell out everything. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. But remember we have F sharp, so you have to adding F sharp here and 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, D, and we have to put the sharp. Don't put flat or something. Up is always sharp. So you have to draw. After time signature, you have to start E right here. And don't forget adding sharp and sharp there. Okay, next one, you decide, page 15, you decide D minor harmonic. Okay, D minor comes from F major. And F major have B flat, remember that? B flat. And harmonic descending rule, which is a 7 up. Okay, but it's descending. So we have to go from the back and going up. If it is easy, you can decide down, but either way. Okay, let's do from the first one to the bottom. So you are studying D, okay? D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. Okay, now, first thing you have to add in key signature, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, right? And 7 up. 7 up is from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? And you have to put the sharp. Remember, we talked about up is a sharp, so you have to add in this. I think you put E flat for no reason. We don't need the E flat on your answer. So erase it. We don't need the E. And remember, if it is descending, the 7 up is from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Next one. E minor. And you say melodic. Descending. Okay. E minor comes from G major. So you have to remember F sharp. And melodic descending rule is naturally. So easily, you just adding F sharp, that's it. Natural means don't do that. 6 and 7 is nothing. We don't have that. So you're studying E, right? E, and then on your answer, you put the flat for D. Why we have D flat? Okay, so let me spell. Starting E and descending. D, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And remember, we have F sharp. You have to have adding F sharp here. And nothing else. Okay, next questions, exercise 2. First answer, you missed all of them. So I'm going to explain to you. E minor, you choose a harmonic ascending. But they say, don't remember the key signature, right? And do only accidental. So E minor comes from G major. So first thing, you have to draw G major key signature. Remember the paper that we talked about it? What is G major key signature? G major have F sharp, so you have to only draw the first one, F sharp. So it is 12 crafts, so you have to put on the sharp over there. Okay? But I think you drove 2 sharps first time. So G major have only 1 sharp, F sharp. And then you have to add in time signature. You missed it. Remember, copy everything. Okay, I'm studying E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. And F sharp that we have to do is, I don't have to draw because I put the key signature already. So what is a harmonic ascending rule? The 7th up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is D. You have to put the sharp, which is you did it. Okay? So I think you missed this part. Okay, D minor, melodic. Okay, D minor comes from F major, and F major, the rule is B flat, right? I think you draw 2 flats and wrong spots. So remember the paper, B flat, and it's bass clef, so you have to look at here, and B flat is the first, second line. You draw on the top for no reason. So I'm drawing key signature, time signature, don't forget, and D minor melodic ascending. Okay, I'm starting D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. But D minor, the originally we need a B flat, right? So it has to be B flat. Now, from here, melodic ascending rule is 6th and 7th up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is B flat. From the keyboard, B flat. If it is up, it's gonna be B natural. So this has to be B natural. Remember this. This is very important. And then 7 up, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is a C, but we have to change it to C sharp. Okay? So when you draw, remember we draw B flat already. So starting D, and you draw like weird notes at the beginning. You draw E earlier. You have to start with the D. D, sorry. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and you're gonna draw D, right? And this one, if you leave anything, if you don't put any sign, it's gonna be B flat. So you have to put natural sign, and then C sharp. And the problem is, Rhea, you put sharp or flat on the right side. We talked it last week. You have to put on the left side. Okay, so this 2 was missing and your note is not correct on the first answer you sent me. Next one, E minor. You say harmonic. Harmonic. Okay, E minor comes from G major. And G major have F sharp. And harmonic descending rule is 7th up. Okay, so first thing you have to draw bass clef, key signature F sharp, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 line. Remember, bass clef sharp is F, C, G, but if they ask F sharp only, you have to draw on the 4th line. And you didn't draw. So adding time signature 3, 8, right? And you have to start E, right? E, F, G, A, B, C. Sorry, it's descending. E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And don't forget F sharp, but you don't have to draw here because you already draw the key signature. And 7 up. 1, 2, it's descending, so you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. Please adding D sharp. And on your answer, you draw ascending first time. It's descending. Please remember what they ask you. It's very easy to mistake because ascending, descending. Okay? You better remember. So what I do is I'm gonna spell out everything first, and then you have to copy the notes. If you start to draw the notes, it's gonna be confused. Okay? Spell out the notes first. Okay? And it's a starting E, so you have to start here. E, D, E, D, C, B, A. You're gonna copy everything, and remember the sharp on the left side if you have to draw. But remember F sharp here, you don't have to draw. Okay, you have to fix the whole page.